This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's shift to the gold market as usual. So we see that market still holds around the support that we have discussed. That is the previous consolidation, weekly pivot support 1, FIB support 1283 from the whole move to the upside, 3-8 support. And we said that market hardly will show any bounce until it will hit some targets that we have specified on the 4-hour time frame. That has happened, and market now is showing the gradual bounce to the upside. Well, I can't point that this will be the starting moment for maybe some upward continuation to the upside. That could happen, but currently it's very difficult to say that this is really very promising starting. No, that looks like just a bounce on the intraday charts, and I think that currently it's better to focus on the minor target of this potential bounce, because in fact, following the habits of the gold market to show deep retracement, as we said previously, we can't exclude the possibility for some sort of the ABC retracement to the 1245 area. That is possible, especially because you can see market here is showing the bearish action, trend has shifted to the bearish side, so that could be just a minor retracement from the first support area, and that in fact could lead to the downward action. Because currently, as you will see a bit later, we do not have any strong upward reversal on the intraday charts. Current move looks more like the ABCD retracement after the move to the downside, and currently it's very difficult to treat this action as something really promising, really some big thing that is re-establishing the upward action. Well, that's why, as I said, let's better treat it as the retracement just yet, and let's see what will happen next. On the 4-hour time frame, you see how it has happened. That's our target. I have seen this million of times, and you probably guys as well, if you dealing with us for a long time already. I mean, with the FPA, since I have shown now in my weekly research, weekly updates, in the daily videos. So a lot of time when we see these moments, this market turning to the upside right before they hit on the significant targets, later fails and continue move down, hits the targets and start retracement to the upside. That's very currently, probably we could call it even as the classical action. Previously it was the tricky and it was some uncommon, but currently we could say could call it even the classical action. So always be aware if you see that market has reversed up before hitting some targets just for the minor range to $1-2 probably between this low and the targets. Always be careful, because that means that the high probability market will return right back, retest this area, and only after that probably would show the retracement up. Well, currently see that market has started some bounce up, trend has shifted bullish. Well, probably we do not have the divergence here. It's probably flat bottom here. See, well, if even we have some divergence, this is a very minor divergence. Market now stands very close to the first resistance area, 1301. Well, that probably will be our minimum target, and probably it almost has been achieved. So we will take a look at the hourly time frame. If we will treat this action as retracement, just as retracement, as you can see, because as you could see by yourself, that's not the very promising thrusting acceleration. Currently it looks rather gradual, ABCD action to the upside. That's free drive pattern. Well, in fact, the target of the free drive pattern has been hit, because the target of this pattern is the top between the second and third drive. So if you have first drive, second, third drives, and the target will be right here, market has achieved it. Well, slightly higher stands the ultimate target of the butterfly 1618 extension of the whole butterfly move to the downside. So if you measure it directly from the butterfly, it will stand right here. And take a look, slightly higher stands the target of the ABCD pattern. So I think that this will be the target for the on the gold market for the current retracement up that we have traded yesterday. As we said, we probably could trying to take long position. Well, and that will be probably the target of this retracement. What will be next? It's very difficult to say currently because it will depend on how market will behave in the nearest future. So if we will get just Gartley's triple 2, for instance, thrust down, ABC retracement, market will continue move down, then probably we could get move right to the 1245 or something of that sort. So in the nearest term, I suspect that it's better to take profit from the long position and just wait what how market will behave. Maybe market will form some great reversal pattern here. That is also possible. So we could, for instance, get some kind of, I don't know, maybe some head and shoulders with this or something of that sort. Maybe market will form here some butterfly that will point on some deeper retracement on the higher time frames, on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame. I don't know. But in the short-term perspective, it's better to take the profit and wait what will happen. The same analysis we made on the euro currency, because market has hit our target, market has accomplished the destination that we have pointed and we expect to see. So we have worked out the first setup. Now it's just time to get and wait when the market will give us the second setup. Well, that's our current view on the gold market. So let's see what will happen, because currently, finally, as we are close to the autumn time, some traders returning from the vacations, and market becomes more active. Market starts to move. Not only gold market, but all other markets now return back to motion, and probably in the nearest term we will get more and more opportunities for trading.